Hello everyone. Today we will create a Java program using switch statement. So for that, let's open Notepad and let's start typing the program. Okay, so for making the input program, we will write the first line import java.util.scanner. After this, we will create the class. We will give the name of the class. Okay, after giving the class name, next what we have to do, we have to write the main function public static void main. So let's write public static void main and then the arguments inside the main function that we will mention. Then again we will write the opening braces, the scope of the main function. Then we will create an object for the scanner class so that we can access the inbuilt function of scanner class. Okay, now let's create the variable. One variable we require to store the day number. So let's create it int dow, day of week. Put semicolon, create the object of scanner class, scanner, the name of the object, the identifier, equal, assignment operator, new operator to allocate the memory for the object, then scanner, and then the argument system.in. After that, we will print a message for the user so that after seeing the message, user will enter a value. Let's put the message by using the system.out.print function. So we will write system.out.println and we will write the message enter the day number to get the day. Okay, so to get the day we have to enter the day number. Let's give the message. After giving this message, we have to receive the input. The user will enter a value. That value has to be accepted by us. To accept that, we have a method. That method is called nextInt because we are expecting from the user to enter an integer value. So we will write here the object name dot operator nextInt function. When the user will enter the value, we will receive by nextInt function. NextInt function will return this value and we have to store that value. For that we have that variable dow. So we will write dow equal to. So the value will be stored in dow. Now it's time to use switch statement. What does switch do? It's a multi-way branch selection statement. It accepts an expression and it checks the value for equality. So we will write there switch and the value dow that will be compared by each cases. Case 1 means if the value of the dow is 1, then we will write their message system.out.println Monday. Then we have to put break statement. After each case we have to put the break statement because when a case matches, then from there itself the compiler will terminate the switch statement. Okay, again we have to follow the same process. We will write that case 2, case 3, case 4. We have to write 7 cases and then at the last we write the default. What is the use of default? Let us understand first. If none of the cases will match, if none of the cases is matching, then compiler checks the default. If the value entered by the user is not between 1 to 7, then the default message will be printed. We will also write a message in default. Okay, and that message will be printed if the given input is not correct. So we have to mention here 7 cases. Case 1 for Monday, case 2 for Tuesday, case 3 for Wednesday, case 4 for Thursday, case 5 for Friday, case 6 for Saturday, and case 7 for Sunday. After each statement of case, we need to put a break statement. Okay, if you don't put break, what will happen even after getting the match case, the compiler will continuously try to match more cases. That is not required at all. It will make your compilation time extra. So to reduce that, what we need to do? We have to put break after each case. Now let's write here default, then colon sign and the message for the default, because when the user gives any value which is not between 1 to 7, it means that the entered value is wrong. So let's give a message here, please enter correct value. Okay, after giving this message, what is the next task? We need to close the switch block. We will use closed curly braces to close it. Then we will close main function. Then we will close the class. Now, after the completion of the program, let's go to file, click on save. I will save this program in F drive where I have made a folder Java programs. There what we will write, name of the program, let's write ss.html. While saving it, please take care that save as type, as you can see, save as type must be selected as all files. Our program is saved now. Let's compile it. Now our program is saved in F drive. So we will write there F colon sign. We will press enter key so that F drive is opened in command prompt. Next step is we will write cd space the name of the folder Java programs. After that again let's press enter key so that we will come in the Java programs directory. Now for compiling the program we will write javac space the name of the program .java. Press enter key, the program is compiled. The message is enter the day number to get the day. We have entered what? 3 and we will get the output Wednesday. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.